You're right there, 6 Plus Save with another review for the channel. This here is a webcam that I've purchased all of like 2 days ago from Amazon. Long story short, cost me $25.99, got it delivered the next day, and this is for future content coming to the channel. Now this one here, I am not going to butcher its name for love nor money, Hiievpu, or however you want to pronounce it. This here, I wanted to bring it to the channel because there's a lot of people out there that want to do recording, streaming, but also you're still working from home. You need to do Zoom meetings, Skype meetings, whatever kind of, webcam chat meetings. So this one here for $25.99 seems to be an absolute bargain because it's USB powered, fine. Built-in microphone, fine. But it's a 2K picture quality. So that's what intrigued me, 2K picture quality when most of the time everyone's, 1080p. But anyway, I've chatted on long enough. Let's open this one and see how it fares. So, sturdy box, can't complain of that. Bubble wrapped up, and then you've got a thank you card from Amazon with warranty on the back. Fine, perfect, I'll have a look at that later. And you have your standard instruction manual, very, very simple, multiple different languages. All right, so you're covered. But let's go over to United Kingdom or English. So thank you, blah, blah, blah. Read the manual online. Points out where everything is. That's absolutely fine. And, set up the webcam. Place the webcam. Basically, you unfold that, put it on top of your monitor or whatever you're going to use it on, you fold that back underneath. Or there's another way that you can mount it, which I'll show you in a moment, using a tripod if you want to do it that way. But anyway, that's quite nice that they've got that there. Nice simple bit just to help you out. Here's the main attraction. Ooh, the actual webcam itself. And it looks like, that's cool. There's a cover to protect the webcam, and also if you have any issues or concerns with the webcam, with computer software or whatever recording you or whenever you're not about, you can just cover it. That's really cool. They've got the usual, peel cellophane on to protect the lens and the glass. That's really good. Feels quite sturdy actually. It doesn't feel like it's actually going to fall apart anytime soon. Seems to have a nice length to this cable. Does it say how long the actual cable is? Let's have a quick little look. It's standard packaging. There's nothing, nothing too fancy with it. But if it does the job, you can't complain. So anyway, let's have a little look. Oh, okay. So yeah, you got, I would say, a good 2/3 of a meter in length, quick eyeballing. This is obviously the attachment underneath, so like they showed it in the instructions. You have the bit of your monitor there, and then you clamp it with the piece behind. Okay, so you clamp it from behind, but this is quite useful for your tripods. Standard thread. And it's slightly like a felty foamy bottom to it. But if I bring along my tripod, it's just a simple, easy tripod. We'll screw that on, and in a bit I'll show you hopefully its picture quality. We'll transition over that and hopefully show off its mic quality as well. But that's sturdy. That's not going to go anywhere. So from first impression, really quite chuffed by it. But anyway, we'll transition over in a moment to actually recording with this. You can see my lovely mug, and we'll go from there. So I'll catch you in a minute. Okay, so we've transitioned over to the webcam. I'll explain what I've done. Set up on the stand, put the stand up, plugged it in, opened up OBS software to record what I'm saying right now. Settings for audio, default. Settings for visual quality, automatic, default, except for setting the resolution from not 1080p to 2K. Start recording. That's it. I am really impressed by this little bit of gear. because all I've got lighting wise, all right, the light through the window and the LED light up here. So don't get me wrong, I've got a bit of light here. You could always make it a little bit better, having some light from behind, you know, light saturation, the usual stuff, all right? That if you want to get into it, you can. But anyway, picture quality. I generally can't fault it. I've done a quick little play to make sure my software would work all right with this. I'm astonished. I am genuinely astonished for the price, how good the picture quality comes out. The audio is a really good webcam mic audio. You may say it's a little bit tinny, fine, but the quality, you can tell, you know, there's no awkward, you know, screechy moment or anything like that. The quality is amazing for what it is. You can buy, you know, separate mics out there to plug into your laptop or your PC or whatever to get better audio quality. Not disputing that. But for less than 30 Great British pounds, all in one package that you just attach it to your computer monitor, your laptop monitor, even your TV, stand, whatever, and you plug and play, I'm honestly at a loss at how well this does its job. Alright, so if you've had this webcam in the past or you're looking at, you know, having it now, comment down below. I'd like to, you know, get what feedback, what experience you've had, good or bad, whatever it is. But yeah, this is going to be for future content coming out. I'm going to look at doing some streaming and stuff and just more reviews. It's just another way of me recording for content for you all out there. But anyway, new to the channel and you're liking what you're seeing here, subscribe down below, hit the like button to the video, hit that bell notification. Every little bit of interaction definitely helps. I'm really appreciative of all the great feedback and just how people seem to be enjoying the videos that I'm pumping out. But anyway, let you all enjoy the rest of your day. Hope you're all keeping safe. See you around.